Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV all the way from Barcelona, and in this video I'll share with you guys my unboxing and 7 things that you guys should know about the Huawei Mate Xs. So let's check it out. Now the phone comes in a huge square box where firstly you will immediately find the Mate Xs itself. Then underneath there's several individual boxes which are divided and also placed very neatly in the box, where each box contains the 55-watt supercharger, a USB-C earphones, then you'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable. So now that the unboxing is done, let's check out these 7 things that you guys should know about the phone. Now firstly is its brand new build quality. Now since this is a 2nd generation foldable phone from Huawei, they have come up with a stronger hinge mechanism which has a very sturdy build, which is now called the Falcon wing design. Now the screen fold outwards instead of inwards, as folding it this way won't have any gap, which reduces the chances for cracking your phone. Then there's also a handy release button to make the unfolding process even faster. Next is the screen. Now it uses an aerospace grade high polymer flex display, where unfolded the Huawei Mate Xs comes with an 8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2480 by 2200 pixels, which is a 2K display. Now I have to say that I love the almost bezel-less display when the phone is unfolded, which gives it a better viewing experience not only for content consumption but multitasking as well. Then the back screen comes with also a 2480 but with a 892 display resolution. Then the front screen comes with another 2480 but with a 1148 pixels. Then the third thing that you need to know is the amazing Kirin 990 5G processor, which is the current highest flagship chipset from Huawei. Now like the Mate 30 Pro 5G, you will be able to enjoy a 5G network technology in over 47 countries around the world. But just in case you guys do not know, that majority of these countries' 5G network is supplied by Huawei, and that is why it is the key to unlock the 5G around the globe. And especially since this 5G chipset can be used for standalone and non-standalone 5G antennas as well. Then as for the fourth feature that needs to be highlighted is the quad camera setup. Now the Huawei Mate Xs comes with a 40 megapixel f1.8 27mm wide lens and 8 megapixel f2.4 OIS 80mm telephoto lens, a 16 megapixel f2.2 17mm ultra wide angle lens, and a TOF 3D depth sensor. Now what's super cool is that if you go with the selfie mode, it uses the same powerful 40 megapixel main lens sensor, where you can view your shot through the back screen display when the phone is folded, which ensures a high quality front and video shots. Now next would be the brand new EMUI 10. Now personally for me, having used the EMUI skin as a daily driver, the software optimization for the EMUI 10 has been great, especially with its battery optimization, and I really felt a significant improvements on the software, so I think that is indeed a very good feature to highlight as well. Now going deeper into the software, another super cool feature especially for the Mate Xs is the revolutionary multitasking interactive features, where there are 2 examples on how exactly it could be used. Where in one scenario, you can first add the pictures they have taken, put it into the Notes app, and you can add text from the browser just by highlighting the text and dragging them into the Notes app for a seamless interaction between the apps. Then the next scenario would be opening 2 windows or the pop-up windows within the same app, where for example reading the overall news on the left, where on the right shows the individual chosen news that you have selected, and this similar method could be used for shopping apps like Taobao as well. Now all of these great features would almost be irrelevant with a poor battery or charging performance. So yes, the final reason would be the 55-watt charging option, and it gives you the ability to charge from 0 to 80% in only about 30 minutes, since it has a total of 4500 mAh of battery. But of course, once I get my hands on the device, I'll do a full battery test when I use the phone as my daily driver. So yes guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and 7 things that you guys need to know about the brand new Huawei Mate Xs. And if you like this video and found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.